How to fix and solve Vinted band. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve Vinted band. Now if your Vinted account is banned, you could first of all check the Vinted inbox or email for the reason and any appeal link. So whenever you have this sort of issue, you could always go ahead and check for an email. So go ahead and open up the email and make sure to check or register with the same account that is linked to your Vinted. And here you could find out any sort of information or link. You could also check your spam, or you could also go ahead and check any other section. So likewise, if you find it so, you could go ahead and then read about the instructions on what is the actual reason behind the ban and how you can actually go ahead and lift it up. So you could go ahead and read about that as well, receive any sort of link or any sort of information in the email as well. Then what you could do is wait for at least 30 days, or you could wait for 7 days. For temporary bans, your account will be unbanned automatically after 7 or 30 days, and that should be able to fix it. So however, if that's not the case, you could also go ahead and try updating your application or clearing your cache. So if you want to update, go to the Play Store, type in Vinted App and check for an update. After updating it, you could go ahead and try logging in, see whether the ban has been lifted or not. At the same time, what else you could also do is go ahead and make sure to clear cache as well as data. So for that, you want to go to the settings and go to apps and notification. Here you want to go ahead and click on see all apps and go ahead and locate Vinted. When you locate Vinted, just click on storage and cache and make sure to clear cache as well as data. That can be able to fix it, and at the same time restart your device. That should be able to fix your issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could directly contact the support team. So go ahead and exit out of this page, and on the web address bar you want to type in Vinted support. When you type in Vinted support, here you want to go ahead and press the link, and after which what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and send a feedback stating that what sort of issue you've been facing. So once you've done it, so you'll be able to fix and solve the Vinted band issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.